Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the audio problem in Discord stream on mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, open Discord and tap on the arrow icon in the top left corner. Then, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. From here, access settings from top right corner, scroll down and tap on voice. Ensure that the volume is set to at least 50 or higher. Scroll down further and confirm that your settings match the ones shown on the screen, particularly making sure that echo cancellation is turned on and set to crisp. Next, exit the application and go to the Play Store or App Store. Check if there are any updates for Discord. If the update button isn't visible, that means your app is up to date. Once you've confirmed your app is updated, close any other apps that might be using the microphone in the background. This will free up your microphone for Discord. Finally, restart your phone. After rebooting, the audio issue should be resolved. So that's basically how you can fix the audio problem in Discord streams on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.